Hi, and welcome to Learnist. In this video, I'll walk you through with our website builder, how you can publish absolutely stunning and beautiful website right inside the platform itself. The website builder is closely integrated with all of our widgets and products that we have already in the platform. It's super simple, looks good out of the box, and you need no coding background at all. And you can just hand over all the working and beautification of the website to the platform itself. Let me go ahead and walk you through. So all you have to do is inside the websites and app setting, just go ahead and click on the website. This is where you're going to see the all new Learnist website builder. This is one of the game-changing features that we are building constantly, and it's already amazing. Let me go ahead and click on this. This is where I have my own website, but you can go ahead and just click on create a website. Once you go ahead and create a website, you can see a lot of templates and pages are already available for you. You can just go ahead and fill up data, or if you want to create absolutely from the scratch, that you can do. We highly recommend to go ahead and check out some of the already built-in pages. We are adding more constantly, and all the category specific things, we are also going ahead and adding this. So from the template, you can see we have all these beautiful templates. Let's go ahead and check out this K12 website, but you can make it anywhere. And I can just click on the preview and it will show me how the website looks like. This is already looking beautiful. All you got to do is just add in your own data and just publish it. So this is all the details that we have. But let me show you the superpower of this website. We're going to click on use this template, and yes, we want to use it. And once I'm here, now I can go ahead and change a whole lot of things about this website. I'll go ahead and click on edit the page. Once I go ahead and click on edit the page, I get to unlock all the superpower that is there. If you want to change any settings up here, there's a settings button. You can go ahead and click on that. If I want to go ahead and select this text, all the options are available to me in the right-hand side about controlling the text. I can go ahead and add my images, colors, background, gradients, highlights, the text part. You can just go ahead and select and change the text here. All you gotta do is, let's just say I don't like this one, I like this one. So you can go ahead and modify anything. You have the placement settings, you have the font setting, you have also the paragraph settings. Whatever you want, you can customize that. Not only that, you can see from the top that how this website will look like on a desktop, or maybe it will look like on a laptop, or maybe on a tablet, or maybe you want to see how it will look like on a mobile phone. All that can be built up. You can go ahead and check out the previews here. You can save it here as well. But that's not all. I'll just turn it like this. And then I want to see more features that can be done on this website. So you can go ahead and click here, Learnist section. And as you can see, we have so many of the sections which are cooked up. Any section that you want to bring in more onto your website, you can just click that and we'll inject that section, and you can drag and drop, move it at the top or at the bottom. Let's just say this one looks pretty good, or this one looks good. There's so many of them. I love almost all of them. I'll just go ahead and add others event section. You can see this one is here. You can just move it, any of the section at the top or at the bottom. It's totally up to you. You can just go ahead and click on this button, move up, move down, and that's it. It moves either on the up section or down section. After that, all you got to do is change the photos, maybe some source URLs and some text. Maybe you want to brand it on your own color. That's it. Go ahead and do that. Now, not only that, we have so many of these sections that you can go ahead. We have categorized them nicely about the CTAs, FAQs, text, sliders. There's no shortage of them. We have worked really thoroughly on each one of them, and you can go ahead and present each one of them as you like. So mobile sections, these are my favorite ones. Apart from this, you can also go ahead and click on this products as well. Maybe you want to feature a particular product, then you can go ahead and add that directly in your web page and can publish that. Maybe you want to feature all of your courses. Maybe you want to feature only one course, or maybe you want to feature something else. So from courses to forms to events to syllabus to pricing to FAQs, whatever you want, you can go ahead and do that. Maybe you want to just add the features up here. So you can just go ahead and drag it up here, and that's it. This is going to feature your syllabus as well. Go ahead and add the details. That's all you have to do. Now, not only that, we have so many widgets as well. Maybe you want to inject navbar, footers, sales card, pricing, marquee, group menu. There is so much all that you can do. Once you're done with this and you have designed your website the way how you like it, just go ahead and add this up. I'll just go ahead and close this one. As of now, I don't want that. This section should be removed. So go ahead and configure your website nicely. Then you can click on the settings, and this will open further settings about what should be the page title, what should be the URL of this particular page. I have added another URL, but you can add it just like on your home or your main domain. You can also go ahead and add custom code in case you're code friendly or your developers want to inject some tracking code or something. You can go ahead and add that and make it as a default page as well. Then that's it. You simply go ahead and publish it. That is all you got to do to publish your own website. And remember, we have so many of the themes and settings. You can just go ahead and keep on adding pages. You can create your entire website with it, feature everything, each and everything that you really want to do. It definitely is going to take a couple of good minutes to configure it properly, but you'll see once you get a hands of it, it is super easy to publish and feature any product, any section that you want. This is all about our inbuilt Learnist website editor. You don't need to pay anything extra. It all comes up within the platform itself. I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you need any support from our side, we would love to help you further. That's it for this one. I'll catch you up in the next one.